Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, June 11th, and I'm heading to my dental consultation for my braces. It's like around 8:30 in the morning. It's hot. I'm going to the dentist right here first to get a referral because I don't have the referral yet. Okay, I'll put my shit back on. It's hot. Hold on. Like I was saying, because I'm trying to get my braces right now. I'm not waiting any longer. So I came around here the other day to get a referral, but these people was closed, which is weird because it said it closed at 4:30, and I think I came around 2 something. This place better not be closed. It should better be open. I'm not playing. I'm going straight there. I'm like, I don't have no referral because I need to make an appointment to get these braces. Oh, it's open.
3 hours later.
So I'm finished the dentist. I ended up getting the cleaning because he said it's not strong. They need my teeth to be strong and stable before they could do anything. Oh, the sun is hot. So yeah, I need to go see if I can get some oxtail. I haven't had oxtail in so long, y'all. So I think it's like after 11 right now. I'm going to the market right here, see if we can get some tea biscuit. It is hot as hell. It's 84 degrees. And I said I'm going to walk from here to Pennsylvania and New Lots. I ain't been over in a minute, so the bus just passed me. I'm like, it's gonna be my exercise for today. I'm gonna walk. It's a long walk from here to Pennsylvania New Lots. If you live in Brooklyn, you know what I'm talking about. But I need exercise, so I'm like, even though the sun is hot as hell, I'm not gonna be still. What I had this morning was some lemon water, hot lemon water. That's what I drink from last week now, 2 weeks now. I've been doing that. So, and then when I go to bed, I drink the green tea. Oh, my mama. This is my mama. It's a beautiful day, though. These men. I'm hungry, y'all. I was looking for a golden crush. This man, he stopped down there. I didn't know it was me he was beeping at, but he stopped. Hey, get it? When the weather get nice and people, vibing, whatever, it's nice. Oh yeah, he just drove away. Cause you see, I'm not paying him no mind. I got on a long dress. I show you the outfit today. I reach up there in no time. I'm at Bristol now, so I know for a fact it's gonna be. Oh yeah, I need to look up at the Dollar Tree up there by the train station. So it's a little walk, but we love walking, so I'm cool with it. I need water though. If I'm gonna walk in the sun, I need to stop and buy water, but I don't got no money on me. The sun is beaming. Do y'all see how hot it is out here? It's, I think my glasses off. It's hot as hell. Yeah, I'm putting these shit back on. I got a tea order coming today. Oh, I got Timu order. Oh, I didn't hear you. Hello. Oh, that was you. Okay. I'm good. How are you? Home.
Oh, not home?
Mhm.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you do for fun?
It's summertime, y'all. I know what that means. No, but the man said, you don't say hi to me. Like you were saying. I was saying, he was saying hi to me and I ain't saying hi to him back. I did a little smirk. That's about it. What else you want me to do? Say, hey, how you doing? Like, I don't understand. I don't know what else you want me to say. I guess he wanted me to be dramatic or excited that he calls to me. But, sir, you're lucky I didn't even stop just now. Because I ain't friendly. But look at the view. It is just hot as hell. Yeah, like I was saying, I guess he wanted me to be so excited. He's older though. He's like he's in his. I'm not gonna say six. He probably 60, aging well. Cause he look good for an older man. And I don't usually go for older men. But girl, do something different. Cause what you been doing ain't be working. Hey, I'm gonna get some oxtail. It's been a minute. I'm gonna buy it, even if it's one pack.
Cap.
I'm gonna buy it because I need a taste of oxtail. I need it with some white rice and plantains. I need some plantains too. I see the supermarket. When I was passing by, I see the supermarket. They had 8 green plantains for $1. I don't eat green plantains. I'm trying to see if I wrap them up, they would be dry. I wrap them up, they would be ripe. About to be 12. These men be outside. Oh, they all up in your face. Good thing I have my damn shades on. I'm almost close, see? I'm not even walking fast. So I'm just walking regular pace. Because when am I walking fast? I just bought this sweater because I be cold in the bus. I know me. Yeah. So my battery's low. I should put some sunscreen today. I didn't put no sunscreen on. I put on vitamin C. So Quite Perry was here. Like, I love him. He's hilarious. This man went to Times Square and Minnie was trying to give him a hug. Perry said, I don't want to hug for you, Minnie. So what's out there? I mean, smell phones there. Like, yo, Quite Perry's hilarious, okay? He's so funny. Like, who said that to me? Nobody never go there so answer that to me. People were saying like she probably understood him, but I don't think she understood him because he said he was, he's not talking to Jamaican, so it's not that fact that she understood him. It's just the fact that his hand movement was like, don't come to me. So she backed away. So yeah, that was funny. Because nobody ever go to Times Square and do that to me. Only Perry, man. Perry happy be one. Well, not that I know of. I never heard of somebody who won't go to Times Square and, But again, I never heard of them trying to hug people. Because every time I go out there, they always want to take a picture. But to try to hug somebody, I guess she knew he wasn't from here. Because, yeah, they always want a picture with you. But to try to hug you, no. I was laughing for like 5 minutes. But I keep on playing it over and over. I'm like, oh my gosh, my parents are awful, man. Yo, I'm in the mood for some Burger King fries. I get some Burger King fries right now. I'll be set because I didn't eat nothing all day. Oh, So I was passing the gold. I see a Golden Crust down there, and they must sell pepper shrimp patty. Oh, maybe I'll try that one day. Like I wanted to buy it and didn't want to buy it at the same time. And them said me go in there go buy ice cream. I'm saying I have great nuts and one reason. I'm say if me walk, by the time me walk, so ice cream go melt out. I don't want that. Me don't want that. So next time I'm gonna go get and then I see on Instagram I did see a place I think around by Flatbush. It's on North Stream that they sell great nut ice cream too. So I'm gonna go over there one day and get it. Thank you. I'm buying Juniors now. I'm about to go to the Dollar Tree and see. Well, I want in Dollar Tree. Oh, some girly stuff. Because the time of the month. We need that. Well, thank God it's light right now. Child, I mean, not that I get prompts or anything. I just want it to be over. I just want it to be over. I just want it to be over. My forehead is burning. Oh, Lord. My battery about to die. I know for a fact. You know what? I have my charger, so I'm going to charge my phone. Hold on. See y'all when I get to the supermarket. Tuesdays. I never saw this one before. The Sunny D lemonade. I never saw this before. Interesting. Let's see about sugar in there. 13 grams of sugar. Wait, I'm gonna get a water. Stay dehydrated.
Aisle four on your left.
Oh, yeah, I got my water. I'm not trying to pass out in this damn heat. It's kind of chill. It's not hot. On this shade because I got where I need to be. I went to the supermarket, right? I'm waiting for the bus. I went to the supermarket, right? And they had $12, $13 for oxtail. Like, why is it so much? I just came off the bus because I was gonna walk and I was like, girl, don't do it to yourself. The way it's hot as hell. I could not manage to walk another 20 plus minutes. So I was like, no, girl, I'm gonna take the bus. And I got a free ride. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go home, eat some food, relax for a little bit, and then cook. Yeah. What? Yeah, out here playing ball. I want some ice cream, but I can't eat ice cream. I gotta go to the dentist in 4 weeks. So, I mean, I can, but I need to. In my back tooth, the back tooth is a problem. Like, he said, I need to I need to focus on cleaning back there more because the front tooth is good. So yeah. So, what are you doing? I need to come over here and start walking again or jogging again. I'll do some jump rope. But yeah. So, errands is done for the day. I can't believe, why is oxtail so expensive? Pink pineapple. It smells really sweet and different from the other one. A little bit different. Okay. Here it is. Can I see it properly? Oh, look at the color. It tastes similar. It tastes similar to the yellow one. I don't see the difference. What's the color? Well, I thought I smelled something else, but it tastes the same to me. So hey y'all, I'm at work. working on a Saturday. Today is July 15. I just ordered some Chipotle because I'm hungry. And I'm just waiting for them to come through that door. Like, they need to hurry up. Like, I'm starving. I had breakfast, but I had cereal and I had some lemon water. And I was snacking a little bit, but that's not enough. Because look at the time. Yeah. They need to hurry up. I'm so hungry, but I just got a message that the driver's on his way. So you should be here soon because it's like 2 blocks away. Okay, that's on the 6th floor. And it's cold in this damn place. Okay, Mom, we're here. Finally. Hello. Okay. Yeah, this is yours? Yeah. Thank you. Oh. Hey, burrito and some chips. So good. I'm so excited.
Whoop it. On my side of some movies. Blue cheese. I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. My chicken like it's a 2-piece. You can have this back. She just put my kids in a 2-seat. Swagged out. Familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks up in the trap house. Up the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back out.
All this color. You're not gonna be nice. My second plate. Come on, man. And he said he wanted sushi. I didn't even know he liked sushi. Every time I come over here, something new. This right here, this is a lot of donuts for $6. I think it's a dozen in there. Yeah, I think it's 12. Yeah, look at this. Oh, it's 13. For $6, well, $5.97. You can say 6. Oh, July 31st. Oh no. Okay, we're gonna go with August 1st because they got the original ones right here, the glazed ones. I don't do chocolate. And this one up here looks different too. These look good. I never had these. I don't know. What are these? Apple fritters. I never had this. 6 of them for $3.97. This is big. But we gonna stay with the... I love me some sugar donuts. So that's why I took these ones. I love these. Come on, my papa.